Hello people, this is Kerry Anderson. Hope you all doing well. In today's video, I'll be talking about the best weight loss drinks. So, if you like the video related to Total Hill, I would like to request you all please to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon or give thumbs up so that I will come up with more and more videos with lots and lots of information. So here we begin, let's go. The 8 best weight loss drinks. When used alongside healthy lifestyle changes, certain beverages are more effective than others at promoting weight loss. Beverages like green tea, coffee, and high protein drinks have been shown to boost metabolism, promote fullness, and decrease hunger, all of which may encourage weight loss. Here are 8 drinks that are some of the best to include in your diet when trying to lose weight and get healthy. Now, the first one, green tea. Green tea is often associated with health and for a good reason. Not only is it packed with the beneficial antioxidant and other powerful nutrients, it's also one of the most effective drinks for weight loss. Drinking green tea has been shown to decrease body weight and body fat in several studies. A review of 14 studies found that people who drank high concentration green tea for 12 weeks lost an average of 0.44 to 7.7 pounds, which is 0.2 to 3.5 kg more than those who did not drink green tea. It should be noted that this benefit is linked to green tea preparation that contain high amount of catechin, antioxidant that may increase fat burning and boost metabolism. Matcha is a type of green tea that contains a higher amount of catechin than loose leaf green tea, which make it a good choice for weight loss. One study found that women who consumed 3 grams of matcha per day experienced greater fat burning during exercise compared to women who did not drink matcha. So, plus green tea contains caffeine, which can help promote weight loss by boosting energy level and improving performance while exercising. The second part, coffee. Coffee is used by people around the world to boost energy level and lift mood. This is because coffee contains caffeine, a substance that acts as a stimulant in the body and may benefit weight loss. Coffee can reduce energy intake and boost metabolism, which may help you lose weight. One study in 33 overweight adults found that those who drank coffee containing 670 of caffeine per kilogram of body weight consumed significantly fewer overall calories than those who drank less caffeine or no caffeine at all. Caffeine intake has also been shown to increase metabolism and promote fat burning in several other studies. Now the third one, black tea. Like green tea, black tea contains compounds that may stimulate weight loss. Black tea is a type of tea that has undergone more oxidation exposure to air than other types of teas, resulting in a stronger flavor and darker color. Black tea is high in polyphenols, including a group of polyphenolic compounds called flavonoids. Polyphenols are powerful antioxidants that may help reduce body weight. Studies have shown that the polyphenols found in black tea promote weight loss by reducing calorie intake, stimulating fat breakdown, and boosting the growth of friendly gut bacteria. Now, the fourth one, water. Increasing your water intake is one of the simplest ways to improve overall health. Drinking more water may also benefit your waistline by keeping you full in between meals and increasing the number of calories you burn. Research suggests that having water before meals can set you up for success when trying to cut back on calories and lose weight. A study in 48 overweight adults found that those who drank 500 ml, which is 17 ounces of water, before meals while following a low-calorie diet lost 44% more weight over 12 weeks than those who did not drink water before meals. Now, drinking cold water increases resting energy expenditure, which is the number of calories you burn while resting. Now, the fifth one, apple cider vinegar drinks. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, a compound that may stimulate weight loss by increasing insulin level, improving metabolism, suppressing appetite, and burning fat. Animal studies have shown that acetic acid can prevent weight gain, and decreased fat accumulation in the belly and liver. Although research is limited, there is some evidence that vinegar is effective in promoting weight loss in humans. A study in 144 obese adults demonstrated that drinking a daily beverage containing 2 tablespoons, which is 30 ml of vinegar per day, resulted in significant reduction in body weight, waist circumference, and belly fat compared to a placebo group. Now I'll be talking about ginger tea. Ginger is popularly used as a spice to add flavor to dishes and as an herbal remedy to treat a number of conditions such as nausea, cold, and arthritis. Human and animal studies have also shown this flavorful root to have a beneficial effect on weight loss. A study found that rats fed a high fat diet supplemented with 5% ginger powder for 4 weeks had significant reduction in body weight and significant improvements in HDL, which is good cholesterol level, compared to rats fed a high-fat diet without ginger. Although the study used concentrated ginger powder, a study in humans found that ginger tea also helped reduce appetite and increase calorie expenditure. One study in 10 overweight men found that when they drank 2 grams of ginger powder dissolved in hot water with breakfast, they experienced increased fullness and increased hunger compared to days when no ginger tea was consumed. Now I'll be talking about high protein drinks. Beverages that are high in protein can curb hunger, decrease appetite, and promote fullness, which is important when trying to shed excess pound. There are countless protein powders available to consumer that make preparing a quick, healthy snack or meal a breeze. Protein increase level of hunger reducing hormones like GLP-1 while decreasing ghrelin, a hormone that drives appetite. A study in 90 overweight adults found that those who consumed 56 grams of whey protein daily for 23 weeks lost 5 pounds, which is 2.3 kg more fat than control group who consumed no whey protein but the same number of calories. Whey, pea, and hemp protein powders are just a few varieties that can add a satisfying protein boost to shakes and smoothies that may help you drop pounds. Now, vegetable juice I'll be talking about. Although fruit juice has been linked to weight gain, drinking vegetable juice may have the opposite effect. In one study, adults who drank 16 ounces of low sodium vegetable juice while following a low calorie diet lost significantly more weight than those who did not. Plus, the vegetable juice group significantly increased their vegetable consumption and significantly decreased their carb intake, 2 factors that are important for weight loss. Consuming whole vegetables whenever possible is the best choice for health due to the high amount of fiber that is lost in the juicing process. Now, the bottom line is certain drinks such as green tea, coffee, and ginger tea may help boost metabolism, minimize hunger, and increase satiety, all of which can facilitate weight loss. Additionally, these beverages contain beneficial nutrients like antioxidant and other powerful compounds that can benefit your health. Replacing high-calorie beverages like soda and fruit juice with the drinks listed above is a smart way to cut calories and help you achieve your weight loss goals. So that's all about the fitness in this video. I hope you all liked it. So I'll definitely come within next video with my another content. So till then, stay home, stay safe, take care of your health, take care of your health of your loved ones, and be at home. That's all I want to say. So God bless you. Bye bye, take care.